Hi guys, ready? 1, 2, smile. One more. 1, 2.
Happy Helper, Excellence in Arts and Crafts, with honors, Lucero Altea Laurent B.
Doon ka sa tabi ni Stacy. Saan ba si Stacy? Saan ka ba nakaupo? Ah, dyan. Okay. Tabi na lang tayo. Be! Graduate ka na, Be. 1, 2, smile. One more.
Generous gift, Excellence in the Performing Arts, with honors, Hernandez Silvian S.
Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Independent Worker, Excellence in Numeracy, Best in Ariling Panlipunan, with honors, Aler Kenmark F.
Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Respectful Kid, Responsible Ranger, Excellence in Comprehension, Best in English, Best in Math, with honors, Elasige Janri Ishaya R.
Wala kayo phone, ma'am. Ay, picturean. Picturean. Sure. Photographer tayo ngayon. Okay, ready? Ready ba? 1, 2.
Respectful Kid, Eager Learner, Excellence in Linguistics, Best in Science, Best in Filipino, with honors, Yankinay Lucas Emmanuel N.
Okay, ready? 1, 2. Eh, baka masipag. Baka masipag.
From grade 3, Happy Helper, Respectful Kid, Suarez Emmanuel.
Si Emma yan? Si Emma. Okay, ready? 1, 2, smile. One more.
Happy Helper, with honors, Sapa Jade Nicole M.
Kasi may cameraman natin. Hindi dumating. Nag-selfie siya. At, tat. Ayos po. Yan. Ready? 1, 2, smile.
Happy Helper, Respectful Kid, with honors, Banag Robert Jan Q.
Sorry po, nakapit ko po.
Look here. 1, 2, smile.
Eager learner, excellence in comprehension with honors. Sultan Zainab P.
Okay, look here po. Ready? 1, 2, smile.
Generous kid, excellence in the performing arts, excellence in comprehension with honors. Kim Siu L.
See you. Look here. Okay, ready? Look here. 1, 2, smile. Okay.
Respectful kid, disciplined kid, excellence in comprehension, best in Filipino, with high honors. Lumerio McAndre A.
Malalamat na ako. Si Ate Olga na lang mag-isa dito. Bye-bye.
Eager learner, excellence in the performing arts, excellence in comprehension, best in Araling Panlipunan, best in science, best in English, best in math, with high honors. Agliban Christoph Zeiler V.
Okay, ready po. Look here, smile. 1, 2, smile. One more. Ready? 1, 2.
From grade 4. Generous kid, energetic learner, capable completer, excellence in linguistics with honors. Gomez Rafael E.
Tayo. Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Independent worker, best in Filipino, best in AP, best in science, best in English, best in math with honors. Rogeria Jaden Luis F.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, smile.
From grade 5, capable completer, best in Filipino, best in AP, best in science, best in English, best in math with honors. Sultan Zain P.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, smile. Ay, sir, ay, si mama.